Actually, this video is very interesting. I'll tell you. My point is, we have three types of quantities we know, right? Any physical quantity we can classify into scalar, vector, or tensor. So imagine a hypothetical situation if gate exam is a physical quantity and we want to classify like in which part you are going to keep the gate exam. Gate exam is scalar quantity or vector quantity or tensor quantity. It is just a funny video. I'm just trying to make it funny. Otherwise, you can just take it in like, okay, yeah, that was something like not very huge level of comedy and not some kind of like somewhere it will lie for sure. Somewhere it will lie for sure. So gate exam. If you consider gate exam preparation as a physical property, so what kind of property it is going to be, scalar, vector, or tensor? So see guys, gate exam needs a magnitude, like how much syllabus we have to cover, how much input we have to cover, how much input we have to give for the preparation purpose. So in that, how much we have, like we have the entire length of the syllabus, we have all types of subjects including core, aptitude and reasoning, English, blah blah, everything we have. So we have the magnitude, like how much volume we have to cover. So we got the magnitude. Now do we have direction? Of course we have direction. You should prepare in a particular direction. Direction means the guidance, like in what is the flow of the preparation, in which direction we have to prepare. For example, if you are, just an example, if you are preparing SFD BMD for aerospace, I'm talking, if you are preparing SFD BMD, you don't have to prepare SFD BMD for the torsion purpose, right? For interest purpose you can read, but you don't have to prepare for the gate standard point of view that okay, let's start SFD BMD for torsion. Okay, so that is called direction. So gate exam contains direction, everyone will be agree with this. Now what about tensor? Should we stop here? Like okay, one thing is sure, magnitude is the direction is there, but what about tensor? Should we also bother about the plane? Plane means I'm talking about the platform. By using which platform you are preparing for the gate exam? Are you self-study student, or you have enrolled into my coaching center, or you have enrolled into some other coaching center? Like, so I will say that gate exam is actually a tensor quantity. So some other examples of tensor quantity you may be knowing very well. Our stress is tensor quantity because it has, right, stress is a tensor, right? We have magnitude in that, direction in that, and whenever there is a stress, it will act on a plane. So it was just simple. Thank you.